Hello, my name is Eniola. I'm the product manager of the sailboats to Moody Yacht. I'm also responsible for the Moody, and I sit here together with Simon. Simon, would you also introduce us?
I'm Simon Coles from Dixon Yacht Design. I work on all the aspects of the design from the Dixon Yacht Design side.
Yeah. On the new boat, we're really happy that it's here now in Düsseldorf. There you can really see this giants in the hull. Can you explain a little bit more what's the secret behind the boat, which looks really from outside a little bit slow but sailing really fast?
So for us, a key point is always with Moody that they sail as well as they look. Everyone sort of looks and thinks big volume, it's going to drag around everywhere. So we work really hard, as you say, on reducing the weighted surface and increasing the ability for the boat to sail in a really nice manner with well-balanced lines, making sure that you don't get any diagonal gear and things like that. So we spend a lot of time in hull design stage, making sure we're balancing the requirements of the interior with the desire for the boat still to perform like a Moody should.
Cool, that's interesting. And the next interesting point is, I think, the deck house, because the concept is really unique on the market. What are the topics from design side?
So the theory that started with Moody 41 with the deck house was this floating superstructure, the disconnection between the structure of the roof and the glass, and something that we've achieved here, but certainly structural challenges, making sure that we still have that core kind of Moody ethos of blue water cruising, but with an amazing 360-degree view. So the structure's really held together by the mullions, metal mullions that we have in there, and then the patio door itself all ties together that aesthetic with the structure element. So I think it's been challenging, but I think it's worth the kind of end result is really worth the effort that went in from both sides, hand surrounded from Dixon Design.
Yeah, we are really happy because we are able to give the possibility for a real third handstand position inside, because the 360-degree view allows us really to have the safe handstand position also inside.
Yeah, and I think as well that connection is something that you can't really find on any other monohull sailboat at the moment, from inside to outside. And again, the way that the boat's constructed increases that even more.
I think this is really unique, and I like the concept. From the first boat on, I think we both were part of the development of the first Moody Dick Salon, and sitting here now together is really cool. What are the other topics if we ask for a big dinghy garage in the aft? Is this also for you, for hull design and structure, a big topic?
Yeah. So packaging, what we term in-house packaging, all those features that you guys come to us with and say we want this and we want this, certainly affects the structure of the hull. And we had a goal in mind of what tender we could fit in the boat, and then making sure the beam worked with the wetted surface that we talked about earlier, and also making sure that the transom's not too high and not too low, so it's the usable garage. Something that put in a lot of hours, but again, it's a feature that is quite unique at this size boat for this style, and really worth all that effort of that in.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to test it, because from the theory, I think it's really the same. Like I put the car out of the garage, I push the button, open the button, comes up automatically. It rolls the 3-step down, lift with my remote control the thing on, put the swivel arm out in the water, and then it only is the launch. No wet t-shirt, or no engine what you have to carry out. Everything's finished. So I like really this idea.
And when you are not using it, it's all safely away. So on a long passage, your dinghy's not vulnerable to waves like it might be on Davit. So I think that's definitely another point that we've worked hard to get in there, and I think it's worth it. But we haven't compromised the height of the helm position, which is something we really worked hard on, making sure that the bridge deck didn't get moved up too much, making sure you still have that great vision when you're at the helm, which again it goes with the ability of the boat to sail.
Yeah, so I think it's really a well-balanced boat, and looking really forward for the first sea trials.
Yeah.
And I would use this interview now to say also thank you to your whole team. Thank you to the team in Düsseldorf Yacht, because we have a really big design team who worked many hours on this project, and also say thank you to the production which makes it possible that this boat is now here in the boat show. And I'm really proud about the whole team. Also thank you for.
Yeah, and for us too, thank you for the guys and girls at Hansard who have worked so hard to get the boat here to the boat show, and it's a big ask. We pushed the boundaries many times, so yeah, it's a great collaborative project, and really nice to, after all this time, still to be involved with Moody and with Hansard.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.